Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. So AMC Entertainment, we closed the day at around $57.80, guys, up over 7.4% today. We had a high today of $59.36, guys. So we know we got a resistance right around $60. We break above 60, and our next tough point will be 64.95, right around that area, 64.65. We break above 65, guys, this thing could fly straight back to around all-time high. On the charts, they say the all-time high was 72.62. But for the ones that's been watching AMC like a hawk, we know we ran as high in the pre-market and took $77 plus, guys. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. So the day was a solid day today, guys. You'll see how this morning, as soon as we opened up, we expected to push down to around that $52 support, guys, but we didn't do that. And anytime we beat expectations, everyone should be happy anyway. So this thing is going exactly how we need it to go. So nothing else don't even really matter. So guys, this morning, this thing pushed straight up, showing us that that buying pressure was there from some of the ones don't think F9 had nothing to do with it. But like I say, guys, even though AMC was already prime, it's already destined to do what it's going to do. But I just feel that any catalyst or any extra information that come out can be a boost to help AMC, because we have been consolidating, guys, for the past month, right in between $50 and $60 range, guys. But we know we got the resistance at 64, 65. We've been consolidating right up until this, after this crazy weekend with Fast and Furious 9. We had over 2 million. What this is, let me make sure I tell you the right information. We had AMC said more than 2 million people watched watched movies at its U.S. theaters between June 24th and June 27th, with additional 500,000 moviegoers visiting its international locations. AMC credited the strong results to interest in the latest installment of the popular Fast and Furious franchise, F9, which generated roughly $70 million in ticket sales over the weekend, guys. So some don't think that had a little, a little boost to do with AMC moving like it did. But I think otherwise, guys. Anything, any little news, any good little positive information can give us that boost that we need. And you seen how we come straight out the gate after, even though we was already prime and destined to go up anyway, but it probably saved us from that dip, from coming back down and retesting at 52, guys, from having this nice little catalyst like this. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of more people still haven't gone to see F9 yet. A lot of people is going to be going ahead and be making the moves this coming weekend and still going through the week right here. So this is just getting started though, guys. Even without F9, no fundamentals, no none of that, we already know AMC is primed and ready, guys. We know this is just the beginning. We feel it's just getting warmed up for another awesome week, guys, and be just as happy as we is on the green days. Have that same energy on the red days, guys. Cause just know that I don't feel this thing will be all peaches and cream. These people, these hedge funds, these short sellers will pull a trick up out the bag and try to, make one last little drop so they could get that nice covering, so they can have a nice cover position before this thing rip off to the wound, guys. So this thing could continue to staircase its way up and make higher lows, because judging on the way it traded today, guys, this thing flew straight up out the gate. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and say what we think this thing could possibly do on tomorrow. So this thing, once we had shot up, guys, we shot up straight up this morning. And then we started holding right at around $57, looking like this thing trying to make those higher lows how we do. We had that support at 52, then it tried to make support at 55, but today looking like it's trying to make that support at 57, guys. Because as we noticed, around lunchtime, usually when it's a sell-off, this thing had this biggest spike of the day, hitting that all-time high today at around $59.36. Then going into after 1 o'clock into power hour and after hours, we consolidated right around $57, $58, guys, waiting to make that next leg up. That next leg up, we got to run and retest that 60. We got to break above that $60 and go retest that 64, 65, and that could send us straight to them all-time highs, guys, before hitting 77. And I feel that could be the trigger to send us off to triple digits, guys. So on tomorrow, what do we expect? Judging by how we traded today, guys, this thing is primed to have another leg up on tomorrow. But like I say, I always be ready for any kind of pullbacks because it's the stock market. They most definitely want to try to shake the tree and get weak hands and weak investors up out of there before this thing rip off. And that's what I be trying to prepare you guys for. But judging by the looks of it, this thing is bullish. But we know the stock price has been manipulated and anything could happen. But this thing is ready to go and test through 60 tomorrow and most definitely break above. I feel like with the momentum we got today and the buying pressure we got today, this thing most definitely is going to break above 60 once we go and test it again. So be prepared for that, guys. And our key point is just breaking above that 65, guys. Nobody know when, nobody know exactly when. I'm not going to say tomorrow we'll break above it, but the level we trading at today, if we could get that nice leg up, that nice push up, it could be sometime this week, guys. So be prepared for that. We just ready, guys. We've been waiting a while, and you know patience pays off, guys. So that's all we got for you guys this video. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.